In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Trello notifications in just 5 minutes. We all know how important it is to stay updated with the latest changes in our Trello boards, whether it's for managing projects, keeping track of tasks, or just ensuring that we're aligned with our teams. So let's dive right into it and get you set up to receive notifications. First, you'll need to head over to Trello's homepage. You can simply open your web browser and type in trello.com in the address bar. This will take you to Trello's main page, where you'll find options to capture, organize, and tackle your to-dos from anywhere. It's pretty straightforward, but if you're not signed in yet, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Trello account. On the top right corner of the Trello homepage, you'll notice a Login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy to fast track this step. Once you've successfully logged in, you will be taken to your Trello workspace. Next, navigate to the Trello workspace. The workspace is essentially your home base on Trello, where you can access all of your boards and see recent activity. It's designed to help you keep everything organized and in one place. From here, you want to go to the Trello Home section, which you can easily access by clicking on the Home option at the top of your screen. Now, once you're in the Home section, you will see an option labeled Highlight. Clicking this will give you better visibility on your boards. This is where the magic happens for managing how you receive notifications. Next, you need to access your profile and visibility settings. So head over to the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon is evident. Click on it and select Profile and Visibility from the drop-down menu. To manage how and when you want to receive Trello notifications, you need to click on Manage Your Personal Information in the profile settings. As you open this section, look out for the Settings tab and select it. This is where you can fine-tune various details associated with your account, including notification preferences. Finally, you'll want to click on Email Notifications. This section allows you to adjust the frequency and type of notifications you want to get in your inbox. Whether you prefer immediate notifications or a digest of changes, everything can be customized to suit your needs. And there you have it, you're now equipped to get all the Trello notifications needed to stay up to date. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those boards organized.